What's up, you guys? It's Marissa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little hair care routine type of video. I'm going to tell you guys what I use on my hair, how I get my hair so healthy and shiny and smooth and soft, because I got a lot of requests to do a hair care routine because my hair always looks so like luscious and shiny and stuff like that. So I'm going to tell you guys all the things that I use. To be honest, I don't use a lot of stuff on my hair, probably about 4 products or so, and honestly not even every day. So that's also kind of why my hair maintains that healthiness, shine, and just is very healthy and smooth, because I don't really do a lot to my hair. I just kind of let it be. I got a lot of requests to do a hair care routine, so I figured I would sit down and show you guys what I use on my hair. So obviously, to begin, I wash my hair. So I used to use Matrix Biolage because it has a low pH, which is going to keep color in your hair, and it's not going to strip all of the oils from your scalp. But then I discovered Function of Beauty, and this video is not sponsored by any means. I purchased these myself. My sister actually bought it for me for my birthday, but we wanted to try them out, and look how cute they are. They're so cute. But this stuff is amazing. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks. It's kind of why I've waited to do this video. I just wanted to test it out and see if it actually works, and I've seen a huge difference in my hair because of Function of Beauty. So let's give a little background information. So Function of Beauty is an online brand, and it specializes in hair care. So you go on and you do like a hair quiz and ask you if your hair is straight, wavy, curly, like extra curly, if you have fine or like medium or thick hair, and then it'll ask you like you're oily or not, and then you put down like goals for your hair that you want like the shampoo and conditioner to do for you. So for me, let me just show you like what I do. You get to pick your own scent, you get to pick your own color, and it even says your name on it. If you can see there, it says Function of Marissa. So this is my little profile thing. So I have curly hair, I have medium hair, like I don't have like thin hair and I don't have thick, it's like in between. And I kind of have like normal hair. Sometimes I'm oily, but most of the time I'm in between dry and oily scalp. My goals, I did volumize, strengthen, straighten, lengthen, and nourish roots. And then you get to pick your fragrance, and I picked the Flower to the People, which smells so good. I just washed my hair, so yeah. And then it kind of just tells you like your hair goals, like what it's going to do for you. So yeah, so that's my little profile here. Now let me just tell you, I put volumize, and I really do think it gives me like a lot of body and a lot of just volume, and I love it, especially when I curl my hair. It just looks so good. I have to say, has it strengthened my hair? Yes, completely. My hair like feels thicker than before I used it. Like my hair feels a lot thicker, my ends feel so much stronger, and I've noticed that I don't shed as much as I used to when I started using this stuff. So I definitely think my hair has gotten a lot stronger. Straighten. Now I have curly hair, so honestly probably nothing is going to make my hair dry straight. A girl can wish. But to be honest, I noticed that my hair doesn't dry as curly as it used to, so I guess it kind of works. Lengthen. Now everyone thinks I'm crazy when I say this, but I honestly think that since I've been using Function of Beauty, my hair has definitely grown a little bit faster. Like I curled my hair the other day with my friend, and I was like, what the heck? Like my hair doesn't ever look this long when I curl it. So I was like amazed, and they're like, no, there's no way. I'm like, no, I'm serious. I think my hair grew faster because it like looks longer. So I'm not complaining. That was my big thing for this, is I wanted my hair to grow faster. If you're an OG subscriber, you know my hair was like almost down to my, like it was like touching my butt crack. Like that sounds weird, but it literally was so long, and I'll leave a video linked down below that's like how to grow your hair in a year, but it was long. So I'm trying to get back to that because I don't want it short anymore, but I really feel like my hair has definitely grown. And then Nourish Roots, I definitely feel this a lot. I feel like my hair, I feel like my scalp has just been a lot smoother and hydrated. It's wintertime, so my hair kind of gets a little bit dry in the wintertime. So like my scalp was kind of like peeling, and like there was like dandruff. It was gross. But I feel like it kind of all went away because of this, and I put Nourish Roots, so I really feel like that does help. I definitely use these a lot, and I love that you can like pick your own color. I love the pink. They're literally so cute. So this one's conditioner and this one's shampoo. They smell amazing, but this is what I use for shampoo and conditioner. I love this. I love that it's kind of like a subscription, so you kind of can go on and pick like every 6 months you want it to be sent to you, but you can always cancel for free. So I thought it was cool, and to be honest, the pricing is outstanding because you get two 16 ounces shampoo and conditioner together. They're both 16 ounces for $49, and sometimes you can get 20% off, which makes it $39. And if you do the math, a lot of like shampoo and conditioner can be around $20 to $25. So you're basically saving money, and those conditioners and shampoos are not 16 ounces. Most of the time they're like 13 or 12, so you really do get a lot for your money, and I think it's honestly so worth it. They have so many different like hair goals you can pick from. If you have colored hair, you can pick colored, so there's like a whole range. But I seriously love this stuff, and I was a little skeptical at first, but I literally love this, and I don't think I will ever go back to anything other again. And it's just so like pleasing to look at. So that's what I use to obviously clean my hair. I feel that my hair is a lot more cleaner than what I was using before Functional Beauty. I feel like my hair doesn't feel weighed down all the time. Like, those are the main things I use on my hair. The next few items are things that I use quite often, but not every day. So obviously dry shampoo is a must. I just love the brand Batista. This one is for brown hair, the Divine Dark, so that way I don't have like a white cast in my hair. It kind of blends in with my hair because comes out dark. So I obviously love dry shampoo because it is not good to shampoo your hair every day, because your hair already creates a lot of oils and stuff that will help your hair grow, and every time you shampoo, you're basically stripping those oils. So you don't want to shampoo every day, because then your hair won't grow, because the oils will be stripped all the time, and those oils you need for nutrients. If I'm letting my hair air dry, I will use the Wave Spray. I love this stuff. I think it's so good. It smells amazing. I love the smell of this, and I'm going to definitely get a bigger bottle soon, but I really love this. This is great if you want like nice beachy waves. So I have curly hair already, but I feel like this kind of minimizes my curls and makes it more of a wave, because it is a wave spray. So it gives me that nice like beachy wave vibe. So I definitely use this. I don't use it every day. And then lastly is a hair perfume. Now sometimes I use this every day and sometimes I don't. This one is Toka, the hair fragrance in Colette. I love Toka. Their packaging is probably the cutest thing in the world. It smells so good that I actually sometimes use it as perfume, like real perfume. But all you do is you just spray it on your hair, and it's a hair perfume, and now my hair will smell divine. So I use this most of the time. Always use some sort of wet brush. This one is Wet and Dry by Kala. This is from like TJ Maxx, but it's the same concept as a wet brush. So this is really good for your hair rather than a normal brush, because it's kind of like that comb effect. The wet brush is so that you can use a brush when your hair is wet, because usually when you get out of the shower, you should comb your hair because it won't like rip your hair out, rather than a brush will rip the hair out when your hair is wet. So having a wet brush, I feel like has really helped me grow my hair and keep it just very healthy and strong. Sometimes I will use a blow dryer and a straightener. I use a straightener to curl and straighten my hair, but I don't use heat all the time. I just blow dry my hair today and called it a day, but most of the time I leave my hair pretty natural. That way my ends can, stay healthy and not break. And honestly, heat is really bad for your hair, so I don't use it all the time. Yeah, I told you I don't use a lot of products on my hair at all. I feel like for me, like leaving my hair alone kind of helps it stay healthy, strong, and makes it grow, because I feel like when you use a lot of products on your hair, there's a lot of bad chemicals in a lot of those products, and a lot of those products you probably shouldn't use all the time or use for your hair. So I feel like it just benefits better if you don't use as much product on your hair. Yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was probably like a really quick video, but I've gotten a lot of requests to do a hair care routine and to like tell you guys what I use for my hair, and that's about it. And also, I want to mention I do get my hair trimmed at least every 3 to 4 months. That way I can maintain healthiness and help it grow a little faster. So I want to put that in there. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!